Hi guys, Sirocco the Puncher here. Today I'm going to unbox this cordless phone from Panasonic. The model is the KX-PRS 110, as you can see. Let's first see the box. Beautiful phone. The color is diamond white because you can have it also in black. And here we got some specification like the 2.2-inch TFT color display, phone box, color bearing of course, one eco mode and night mode. So let's unbox this phone from here. And here we got the phone. Very nice design and a big screen, as you can see. So now I'm going to do it like this, and we're gonna have the other stuff, and of course we got other papers. So here is the phone. Let's see what we got here. Okay, very nice. We got, of course, we got a cable for the phone. We got also the batteries, two batteries here for the phone. Of course, the charger. Here it is, and also I can see there that we also have some papers about the guarantee and a manual guide from Panasonic. So let's stay and see the phone. Here it is. It's very light. Of course, we're gonna use the battery too. It's the diamond white color. Very, very nice. And here is where you put like this, as you can see. Very nice display and very nice design. Here is the phone. So I'm going to use the batteries on the phone. We got also battery from Panasonic, you can see, and I am ready to power on this device. And here is the menu. So we're gonna press button OK, and we have two chargers. As you can see, the battery, the recharge batteries are low, so I'm going to recharge. Here you're going to use the charger, and here the phone line. As you can see, the charger is with this cable, so I'm going to use it like this, and I'm going to charge the phone. And here is the base. So the phone looks like this, very, very nice. And if you lost your phone somewhere in your house, you can have this button here, so you press it, and as you can see, it rings, so you can find it. So you find it, and it's like this. And here we got the phone. As you can see, we have here the battery, the signal, and also we have eco mode button. Also we have from here volume up, down like this. If someone calls you, you can see who was it by here. The volume is here, and let's see the menu. So we have color bird, we have also a calendar, SMS if you want to text, intercom if you have another phone like this inside your house, color list, baby monitor. We have the setup, ringer setup, and the time settings. Let's go to ringer setup. No, we go up to the setup, and here we have like the time, key finder setup, echo setup, display. Let's go to display. You can have a lot of, as you can see here, for example, the wallpaper. You have all these wallpapers, as you can see. I am like this one, so I'm going OK. We have color, display mode. Let's go back. Keynote, let's listen. Okay, back. Privacy, unit, register, and language. Let's go back and have the ringer setup, ring and volume, and ringtone. Okay, let's hear some of the ringtone. As you can see, it has 40 ringtones. I'm having this one. Okay guys, this is the phone, very nice, from Panasonic, very nice design and very light. Okay, this is it. Subscribe to my channel, more unboxing videos are coming. Thanks for watching.